PowerLand is the brand that has been the ODM solution provider of Oppo and Lenovo for more than 10 years, providing power solutions to tons of your electronic devices. And today, we have the slimmest, in fact, which is claimed to be the world's slimmest GaN charger. The charger is quite compact, powerful, and also energy efficient, so we are going to share our experience with you to find out if it really brings convenience while charging. We received the charger in a sleek packaging and, upon opening, found the PowerLand wall charger, a USB-C cable, and a user manual. Let's take a closer look at the charger. It feels pretty lightweight right on our hand, as it weighs only 59 grams and is 10.5 millimeters thick, allowing it to perfectly fit in our pocket or backpack. With its 33-watt output, this charger can be an excellent solution for quickly and efficiently charging all our devices. The charger boasts a sleek and modern design with a glossy white finish that will complement any setting. The compact size and foldable prongs make it easy to take on the go, and additionally, as you can see, this charger is a lot thinner than any other 5-watt charger. Anyway, this slim and sleek design was achieved with gallium nitride 2 technology. This cutting-edge technology allows for a smaller and more efficient design compared to traditional silicon-based chargers, so it won't take up as much space on our desk or nightstand. The 33-watt USB-C port on this charger is another major plus. With this charger, we managed to juice up our iPhone 14 Pro efficiently, saving us time and hassle. Not just that, it's even perfect for powering up smartwatches, tablets, earbuds, and so on. Moreover, this compact charger can power up an iPhone 14 from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes, and for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, it took about 30 minutes. That's not all, it also comes with PD 3.0 and PPS charging technology to deliver efficient power to the devices it's connected to. The PowerLand GaN charger utilizes advanced techniques to increase energy efficiency and decrease energy usage. Its built-in high-frequency slim transformer reduces its overall size by half. Additionally, the use of next-generation power semiconductor technology improves both the switching frequency and the efficiency of energy conversion, providing protection against overcurrent, overcharge, short circuit, and other potential hazards. But perhaps the best part of the PowerLand 33-watt GaN wall charger is its price. It's relatively affordable, making it an excellent value for its features and capabilities. It's a great choice for anyone who wants a powerful and efficient charger that won't break the bank. After using it for quite some time now, we did not face any issues while charging our devices, but yes, it does get overheated, which is just a minor problem that we can keep aside. But if you do face any kind of serious issues, you'd be happy to know that PowerLand offers 24 months warranty, and the product is covered by a total of 200,000 connected equipment warranty. This means they will repair or replace any equipment damaged by a surge, spike, or lightning strike while properly connected to our charger, up to $25,000 per device. Otherwise, with its slim profile, cutting-edge GaN technology, and USB-C ports, it's definitely a good choice for anyone looking for a slim yet powerful charger. That's all we have to share with you, and as always, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you find this to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.